Bonjour et bonsoir, chers téléspectateurs de Destiny of Africa Production. Partout dans le monde, je vous salue là où vous êtes. C'est une grande opportunité pour moi de venir aujourd'hui au devant de vous pour vous demander et pour vous informer une très belle nouvelle que nous avons eu comme idée. Bon, pas comme idée, c'est une opportunité qui nous a pu venir de YouTube, parce que depuis qu'on a commencé à produire des vidéos, depuis qu'on a commencé à vous faire satisfaire, et on a été qualifié d'être aussi une de part de ces gens-là qui peuvent avoir aussi des membres qui peuvent soutenir la chaîne. C'est pour cela aujourd'hui ou après-demain, vous allez voir un bouton là, suis dessus, ça va vous demander d'être un membre de Destiny of Africa Production, afin que si vous avez quelque chose financièrement, un tout petit là que vous avez pour contribuer en fait que la chaîne puisse aller de l'avant, cliquez là, juste un tout petit rien là de votre poche ou de votre part, ça va soutenir la chaîne et nous allons faire de bonnes choses à travers vous. C'est pour cela que je vous demande, n'hésitez pas de soutenir votre chaîne qui est le nôtre, Destiny of Africa, et c'est que vous aimez beaucoup. Merci d'être devenu membre de notre chaîne. Merci de nous soutenir financièrement dans le peu que vous avez. Que Dieu vous bénisse et Dieu bénisse le Congo. À plus. Hi everybody and welcome to Destiny of Africa Production. As you all know that Destiny of Africa has been there for a couple years. So far, so good. We've been providing you with some good content in our channel. And you know, I'm so blessed and so happy to come today and say thank you guys for everything you've been doing, for being there faithfully, being a member to our channel. But today I have a very great news to inform you about the opportunity that we were given by YouTube as well, so to be sponsored by you, or to request you to become a member instead of being just our subscriber. So there's two different differences between the member and subscribers, and there are two differences of the opportunity you'll be gaining in terms of being a member than being a subscriber. So therefore there will be some content, some great feature that if you are a member, you will have easy access to that. But if you are just a subscriber, you can still have the ability to continuously watching all the other content you've been watching. So therefore, I will encourage you. It's just a way of supporting us, you know, to prosper. It's a way of, you know, doing your support financially. Somehow can be a small $5 or $2, $3, $4, $5. You know, it's very cheaper for you to support us. So that's why today I'm coming to you to ask you, as the faithful members or the faithful subscribers you've been with us for years, please don't hesitate to just press that new button said become a member. So you know, it's a great pleasure and joy, you know, to come to you and request it, because without you, the channel, it's really weak. The channel cannot go ahead, because we worked all these years for our own. All this content, some of our contents are on, all the material, all the equipment, you know, there's no sponsor. So by you sponsoring the channel, by you donating anything from your pocket, will make a difference. Will make a differences in this channel to produce the more and better content for you to be happy. So please don't hesitate to press that button, become a member today, join us, and that'll be a great and thankful thing from you. Thank you so much for becoming a new member of Destiny of Africa Production. and God bless you. Cheers.